Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an alternate email to your Gmail account using the latest Google update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google account. Open the official Google siteaccounts.google.com. Once the page opens, click on the Personal Info section. In Personal Info section, you will see your all details related, your Gmail account name, email, phone number, and so on. Now click on Email. Here you will see different options like Recovery Email and Alternate Email. Just click on Alternate Email. Now Google asks you to enter your account password to confirm your identity. Now enter your password and click Next. Click on Add Email Address. Now enter the email address you want to add as an alternate. Note: in alternate option, you can add multiple emails address other than gmail.com. You can add emails like Yahoo, Microsoft, and other your professional business emails. Once you type, click on Add button, Google will send a verification code to that email address. Click Verify, and that's it. Your alternate email has now been successfully added. If you want to remove the alternate email, just follow the same steps and click on Delete button. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.